all, welcome to Introduction to General Psychology, the Science of Psychology. Learning objectives to define psychology as a field of scientific study of human behavior, to understand the four primary goals of psychology. Session outcome: able to understand the meaning of psychology, able to understand goals of psychology. Psychology meaning. The word psychology comes from the Greek word. The term psychology literally means the science of the soul. Psyche means soul, logos means science. It deals with mental processes apart from the soul or mental substance. It is the science of experience and behavior. It is concerned with how the mind works and behaves. Psychology is concerned with the experience and behavior of the individual. Definitions: psychology is the scientific study of behavior and mental processes. Behavior includes all of our outward or overt actions and reactions such as talking, facial expressions, and movements. Mental processes refer to all internal convert activity of our minds such as thinking, feeling, remembering. According to Webster Dictionary, the science of mind and behavior. William Wundt said, psychology is the study of consciousness. J.B. Watson is of the opinion that psychology is the science of behavior, human as well as animal behavior. Next, we'll go on to the goals of psychology. There are four goals over here. First one, description. Second, explanation. Third, prediction. And fourth, control. Description: what is happening? Description involves observing a behavior and noting everything about it. What is happening, where it happens, to whom it happens, and under what circumstances it seems to happen. Description provides the observations. Second, explanation. Why is it happening? Finding explanations for behavior is a very important step in the process of forming theories of behavior. Explanation helps to build the theory. Prediction. When will it happen again? Determining what will happen in the future is a prediction. Control. How can it be changed? The focus of control or the modification of some behavior is to change a behavior from an undesirable one to a desirable one. Session summary. Psychology is the scientific study of behavior and mental processes. Goals of psychology includes description, explanation, prediction, and controlling the behavior. Thank you.